Hello, my name is Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a white rice with corn. Very simple and very easy. I already have my pan heating up. This does require a lot of butter, so if you're not into that, I wouldn't suggest this recipe. So yeah, I just put about a spoonful of butter for now. You're gonna add more later. 1 cup of rice, white rice. I'm not making very much because it's only for me and my boyfriend. So yeah, you just kind of let the butter melt and soak the rice. I use you can use the powder, but I use the cube of the chicken bouillon. Yeah, I usually do maybe half to 3/4. About this much I'm gonna throw in there. So maybe like a half a spoon of the powder. And don't worry, it's solid, but when you add water, it's gonna dissolve. It gives the rice really good flavor. I also add salt, garlic salt, and pepper. I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I've done that. I don't add very much because the chicken flavoring, it does have a lot of salt. If you feel like you need to add more butter, you can add more butter. I usually do. More butter, the better. For this rice, not all things, but this rice, the more butter, the better. Okay, after it's cooked for a little while, you soaked up some of that butter. I'm going to pour 2 cups of water. I measured out 2 cups of water. You know, 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Okay, next I'm gonna just take some whole kernel sweet corn, and I'm just gonna scoop some in there. You don't pour the whole can and you don't pour the juices. I usually put about 3 spoonfuls, 3 big spoonfuls, but you can put however much you like. That's just what we like. Then I stir it around. And this is the last time I'm gonna add butter. I'm just gonna add another spoonful of butter. Now, like I said, this thing does require quite a bit of butter. You don't have to use as much butter as I do. This is just the way that me and my boyfriend like it. This is the way I was taught by his family. So yeah. It's going to be really delicious, trust me. And then you just place a lid on it and make sure the heat's on pretty low. And just leave it alone. Don't disturb it, just let it cook. I would say for maybe 20 minutes, about 20 minutes. When the water's gone, when you can see there's no more water in there, I usually leave it just a couple more minutes after, just to let all the, rice, make sure it gets cooked. And then I turn it off and just don't take the lid off, and usually it's cooked all the way through and tastes really well. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to make mayonnaise chicken. I have the chicken in water right now, and please stay tuned. Alright, so I am back to show you how to make the mayonnaise chicken. You'll need mayonnaise, obviously. I poured pepper, garlic salt, and seasoning salt. You don't want to pour too much because you will be too salty, but enough for flavor. I have 2 filet chicken breast. You're going to need some breadcrumbs, whatever kind of breadcrumbs you like. So all I'm going to do is just scoop the mayonnaise on top here. And make sure the chicken's covered. You are going to do both sides. Now, you guys are probably thinking, what the heck, mayonnaise on chicken? The first time I heard of it, I was like, yeah, I'm not going to eat it. But the mayonnaise gives the chicken really good flavor. Now, it is very fatty because of the mayonnaise, so I don't do this a lot. And it's very slippery also. Hang on, I'm gonna turn this over. So yeah, you just do both sides. You can put cheese on top if you want to also. I don't. I have, but I don't normally. It's not usually my regular thing. So yeah, when you feel like the chicken is nice and covered and has lots of flavor, I turn it back over and I sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top. As much as little as you want. I got the flavored ones, so that's another reason why I don't put so much. And I did preheat my oven to 375. I don't put any foil on top. I just stick it in the oven and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. So yeah, I put it in the oven. My rice is cooking, and we'll just wait for the end result. Okay, you guys, look at the chicken. It's all done. And the rice too. All done. I'm just gonna plate it up and show you the very end result. Well, look at that. All done. It is a very fattening meal, but it's very delicious. I just don't make it very often. You guys should definitely give it a try. It does sound weird, but trust me, the flavor in the chicken, great. It will be worth it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. If you have any suggestions on what you would like me to cook next, please leave a comment. And remember to stay positive. Thank you. Bye.